WordPress makes it easy to create multilingual sites. It's a good idea to choose WordPress to create a multilingual site. Let me show you how to create a multilingual website in WordPress. Let's get started. Go to the plugin menu and press the Add New button. Search for Translate Press. Install and activate the Translate Press multilingual site. Go to the Translate Press menu under Settings. At the top section, there is a default language setting. Currently it is English. With this option, makes when visitors access our website, they see web page in English. For switching to a different language, they need to select Language Switcher menu. If you want to set your native language as the default language, please refer the second part of this video. Go to the All Languages section, click the select box and search for your native language. Select your native language and click the Add button on the right. In this way, you can add more languages. But in free version, you can use only 2 languages. When I try to add third language, as you can see, it's not possible. You need to buy Pro version. Save changes. Let's check it on the front end. At the bottom right, there is a menu that we can select a language. When we select another language, as you can see, the language code is added to the URL. Let me switch to English. Only the default domain shows. When we set English as the default language, website is organized in this way. Click Translate Page on the admin bar menu. We move to a settings page where we can translate operation. If your theme don't have admin bar menu, you can also go to this screen by clicking Translate Site on the second tab of the plugin settings menu. When you mouse over the text, you can see the Edit button. Click it. Just write the content to be translated into your native language. From English, is accounting and tax services. How to show this sentence in your native language setting. After editing, be sure to click the Save Translation button at the top. Let me change the button text as well. Now when we change the language to Korean, as you can see it translated into Korean. You can change the menu in the same way. Menu modifications are also perfectly fine. Let me change the second section as well. Add some sample text and save it. Let me check it on the front end. In the Language Switchers section, you can change the location or style of the Language Switcher menu. Let me show you how to set flag only. As you can see, only flag shows without text. Let's change the background to white and the position to the top right. Check it again on the front end. If you don't want pop-up menu, you can use the main menu instead of a pop-up. Go to the menu under Appearance. Click the language switcher. Check all 3 items and add them to the menu. Make Korean and English as submenus of current language. Check it on the front-end site. In my case, current theme does not support submenu style. If you use a theme that doesn't provide submenu design like me, you have a few options. Modify the theme's menu CSS yourself. Or, use a different theme that supports submenu design. Another option is, make your native language and English menu as top-level menu. If the menu gets longer, using flag-only option will help you. Change it in the setting menu. Check it on the front end. The second case is, how to set the default language as your native language. Change the default language to your native language. A warning message appears. Change the second language to English or any language that you want. Checking on the front-end website. Previous translations are gone away. When we use NonEnglish Language as default, we need to change the default text of the theme from English to your choice. Go to the Page menu and open the home page with Elementor. Converts all text to your chosen default language. Check it on the front end. The home page now in Korean. However, when we change it to English, still Korean shows. It's because we haven't translated it yet. Please remember following 2 steps. First step, change all your web pages text to default language with your favorite editor. Second step, change all your default language text to second language on the Translate page menu. Click the Translate page menu. Change the Select Box option to your native language. Choose the text and convert it to the second language. In my case, from Korean to English. Change all the text and saves it. Go to the front end. Switch to English. It is translated successfully. Automatic translation is using the Google Translate. For using this function, you have to register the Google API key. I do not treat this option because it is not a popular option. Thanks for watching.